这如果在中国吃野生麋鹿，我会坐牢的。下大雨了，我来问问主人能不能在他的屋檐下躲一会儿雨。Hello， 主人不在家，那我就在这站着，防止主人来觉得我是入侵者。在骑行了，竟然是因为冷，今天冻死我了。你看我的羊绒衫都穿上去，风又是顶风，今天一天只骑了10英里左右。正好路过一个小镇，我来要点饭，能要点饭吃，然后找一个避风和避雨的地方。Hello， 算了。
But why didn't you go to the mission over there?
I first I beg some food and then I found a charge 20. Okay, no problem.
I don't know what to tell you. I don't have any cash because I don't hear.
I'm not a beggar
I
money.
know. I mean, I don't know what I can give you. I don't have anything on me. I just kind of hospital.
Okay.
So I don't have anything on me. But if you need something, there's a church. So go to the church.
Okay. Thank you. Hello, sir.
Yes,
I'm sorry for bother you.
it's okay.
I'm a cyclist come from China around the world buy bike without taking money. I'm challenged. Can I ask you offer me some food to eat? I'm so hungry.
Food?
Just the food.
Like
I show you this. Why I beg for you. This is a nice car.
absolutely.
I'm challenging myself. I cannot use money. I want to know what a man can do.
Hey, that's perfect. Mama, we need to get in some food. You want like fruit snacks, granola bars? You want what kind of snacks do you want?
我很害怕零食，我的嘴上火起个泡，能给我一些主食吗？比如三明治。
Yes, yes. Something soft.
Yeah, every day I beg for food. People give me snake. I eat snake. This is bad.
I got something for you.
Thank you, sir. 确实吃零食给我嘴吃的起了2个泡，运气真好。下一步找一个高中或者找一个2级，我就可以好好的睡个觉。今天太冷了，冻死我了。我吃的这个狗肠是用射杀的麋鹿做的，怪不得这么好吃呢，不是买的。这如果在中国吃野生麋鹿，我会坐牢的。
Breaking the law. Breaking the law.
Yeah.
Wow.
那是野生保护动物。
This is another animal that we hunt, deer. We do that one quite a bit. What else we got? Yep.
But the elk is the best of the best.
Best.
Yes.
Best.
And fish? You like fish?
My God. Very like fish. 我有一个鱼竿，从中国带到了美国，我准备在美国钓鱼，然后烤着吃。结果发现美国不允许，也没有执照。
Yeah, you have to have a license. The license.
Yes.
That's what you're eating.
Eagle, where are you doing?
Rifle? Gun? Yeah, you can.
In Canada or America?
America. This was in South Dakota, in the state you're in now, just out west here.
这么大，你用了几枪才把它打死？One。哇，我吃的这个狗肠
Yeah.
是它的肉，好大呀！
I was just in South Africa in the beginning of June. That's a kudu.
Beautiful.
Yes. Gorgeous. Gorgeous.
Do you know Hemingway?
Hemingway?
Yeah.
The book?
Yeah.
When I was little, but I know who he is. I've only read one book in my entire life, and it was not a Hemingway book.
You read
No, read. Does not.
你读的是圣经吗？
I grew up in the church, so I have lots of Bible experience, which is why I don't need another one for somebody to sell me.
Do you like a fish? Fish.
Yes, we love fish.
fishing. We like fishing on the ice when the lake freezes,
Freeze.
and then we go out there and drill holes and fish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was a long time ago.
This is the ocean.
Nope, just little lakes.
American fishing is bigger.
Yep, these are just little lakes around here. That's all I got right.
You look at me.
Oh yeah. That was Logan. That was the one that we saw in here. We were out fishing a couple weeks ago. Oh, these are nasty little critters. Monkeys.
Monkey.
Yeah, that was my buddy. That's South Africa. Absolutely gorgeous country.
在美国用枪打猴子也不犯法吗？
Yes, in
Yes.
America. I was in Africa.
哇，那您是真正的男人啊，像海明威一样。海明威最喜欢去非洲射杀狮子。
Yes. Yes. I didn't get to shoot a lion though.
我非常渴望自由，但是我是居住在中国的大城市。其实我很不喜欢大城市，我喜欢自然，喜欢小城市。
Yes.
All right. Is there?
So, is there anything else you need for the evening?
柏拉图说过，一个人需要的并不多，温饱而已。我只需要食物，现在我吃饱了，什么都不需要了。谢谢你，我的朋友。
Absolutely. Okay.
So,
Yes.
so on off,
Okay, thank
but
you.
Yes,
you're more than
you're
welcome to
welcome.
stay if you need whatever.
Okay.
Thanks for stopping at our place.
Yeah, this is fun.
Yeah.
All right, hoodlums, let's go.
All right.
Okay. Good night.
Good night. I hope you rest.
OK，志同道合者就是不一样。有房车，喜欢运动，喜欢 golf，一聊就是好朋友，真棒啊！第二次住房车，这是主人儿子的，然后我吃的这个野生麋鹿做的，再结合大哥对我特别好，听说我上火，嘴巴起泡，给我香蕉鸡蛋，真的好。5分钟就如此信任的人间，怎能不让人留恋？真好，人对我是真的信任。他的小儿子赶走了，看见他的大儿子回来，他来和我打招呼，来敲我这个房车的门。我说你大儿子住哪？他说被我赶出去了，不管他住哪。唉，柜子里的食物，冰箱里的食物，有人跟我说，看中什么就拿什么。直接拿是信任、感动，但没有人怎么解释。除了我发自内心的去感受，我只想说一句：人性是善的，这个世界是温暖的，这不是个例。多少次有人把他家和一切交给我的陌生人，把儿子的床也交给我。我说我可以在这个房车的地板上睡，他说千万不要，你睡床吧 ，please please，说了3遍。这样能睡个好觉，今天很冷。